All right, good morning. We're going to try NumberCorner number 2, and this time I sent an invite. I have no idea if it worked or if there is even a way for people to join this quickly, but I guess we'll see what happens. Next time I can give you a previous notice, and maybe we can set time to do this every day. So let's start by looking at our March calendar. I'm going to share this screen with you. All right, so right here, today's Tuesday, so it is March 24th. So let's take a look. But before we look at the calendar, I want you to make a prediction. Yesterday, some of you made a prediction looking at the mystery shape and said you saw that it repeated. So, oops, go back. If you look at, so pyramid, cylinder, rectangular prism, sphere, triangular prism, cone, cube. Then it repeated again, starting with pyramid, cylinder, rectangular prism, and so forth. We also look for a pattern with the clues. Some days we get clues and some days we get mystery shapes. And I want you to look at the locations. Today the challenge is, can you find a pattern in the locations? Believe it or not, there is one. I did not know it myself, because I had to kind of think a little differently to figure it out. So if you can look at those locations and tell me, what could be the pattern? Let me know if you figure it out. So yesterday we had a cylinder and the location was a sidewalk. So think about, what do you think are we going to have a clue today? Is there going to be a mystery shape? What would that mystery shape be? And what might the location be? All right, so drum roll, get our calendar and zoom in so you can see that. All right, so we have a clue today, F6. That means there are 6 faces. And if you remember, a face is the flat shape on the 3-dimensional shapes. So something with 6 faces on it. And there are 12 edges. Edges are where those faces meet. Did that wrong. 12 of them. And vertices are where those edges come together to make a point, and there's 8 on here. So let's take a look at these and think about which shape would be our mystery shape. Let me move that out of the way. All right, so with 6 faces, what could it be? I'm thinking it's going to be a rectangular prism or maybe a cube, because if we look at this, there would be 4 faces around and 1 on top, 1 on bottom. That equals 6 faces. Edges would be here, so there's 4 along the side, 4 edges on the top, 4 edges along the bottom. And vertices are these points here, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I go back to our pattern, would it be a cube? Would it be a rectangular prism? We have cone, cube, pyramid, cylinder. But I would say with the pattern, it's a rectangular prism. So I'm going to write that on here. Rectangular prism. And the location looks like a kitchen to me. Are you thinking of what the pattern might be? I'm going to show you this next page. Look at the locations. Can you think of what the pattern might be in the locations? Let me know. Email me a message or send it on Class Dojo. Let me know if you find a pattern. All right, we're going to do the 2 quarters a day. So we did it yesterday. And so we need to put 2 quarters on here, and that made our dollar complete. 4 quarters is $1. Let's count the quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 equals $1. So we're going to make an equal exchange of 4 quarters for $1. Now let's fill out our chart here. Okay, so yesterday we had 30 quarters, $7.50, which is $7.50. So today, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So we have 32 quarters. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So let me add $8. And that means we should have 8 full dollars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8 full dollars. All right. Let's go to our base 10 bank. Here it is. I'm going to start with 146. So yesterday you were asked to take 100 and subtract 46 from it. Today we're going to take that 46 and make it 100. I kind of added that all back together. So to show your work, we need to draw out how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in this number. I'm going to draw 100, 4 tens, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time to roll my dice. Okay, I want a big number. Just stuck with what I had to begin with. All right, so we're going to do this. We'll put 6 in the ones place and 2 in. You know what? I want to do bigger than that. So I'm just going to cheat. I want to do some regrouping today. So I'm going to do 7 and a 5. I'm going to subtract 57 from this. Okay, so we always start with our ones place. So if I look here, I only have 6. I can't take 7 away. That means I need a 10. So I'm going to regroup this guy. He's going to come over here to make 10 more ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that means I no longer have 4 tens. I have 3 tens over here. 1, 2, 3. And I don't have just 6 tens. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 16 ones. That's a funny number. There shouldn't be 16 in one place value. But I'm going to make it 16. But now I can subtract my ones. So I can take away 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. And you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones left. Now let's travel over to the tens place. I have 3 tens, but I need to take away 5. There isn't 5 right here. I need to regroup my hundreds. So I'm going to regroup this by drawing 10 tens. So there are 5. Hi, Tanner. I see you.
Hi.
Didn't give a lot of notice. I didn't know if anyone would be able to jump on. All right,
Yeah.
so there is, Tanner, can you see how many tens I just made? So there would be 10 here and 3 here. How many would that be? Be 10 and 3.
13.
13, yeah, so that's 13 ones. And I have 0 hundreds left. All right, so now I can take away 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have 5 here and I have 3 here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 146 minus 57 equals 89. All right, so I'm going to remove this. I'm going to put 146 back on here because this is going to be our challenge for today. is for you to try your own problem starting with 146. Need to roll the dice. All right. So that's going to make the number 14.
Okay.
This one should be fairly easy because you're not going to need to do a lot of regrouping. All right. So, Tanner, thank you for joining us. Don't know if anyone else was able to jump on. That is our number corner for today. I will save it so I can watch the rest of it. Is there anything you want to tell me? I saw the really cool airplane that you made from a water bottle.
Yeah, it was fun.
Have you made anything else since then?
We're making a shark out of a clip kind of thing.
How cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm going to say goodbye. And
Bye.
you have a great day.
You too.
Bye.